The Cooper Cooler chills 750 milliliter wine bottles in 6 minutes, glass or plastic bottles in 3.5 minutes, and cans in 1 minute to refrigerator cold. In minutes, you can chill sports and energy drinks, water bottles, wine, spirits, and soda. It's 90 times faster than a refrigerator and 40 times faster than a freezer. The Cooper Cooler is functional, fun, and easy to operate. Watch how quick it is to set up. Add 2 trays of ice, 2 cups of water, and plug in. You're now ready to chill on demand. Place your beverage inside, close the lid, select your settings on the touchpad, and hit start. The Cooper Cooler automatically stops when your beverage is ready to drink. It's that simple. You can keep chilling more beverages. Have you ever been thirsty for an extremely cold beverage after work or play on a very hot day? Use the Extra option, which will chill your drink to an ice-cold 33 degrees Fahrenheit. The Cooper Cooler uses a unique patented chilling process to chill your beverages rapidly. Our engineers have spent years perfecting the process. Spinning and spraying the container with ice water is the fastest way to chill the inside contents, not just the outside container. The heat in the beverage is removed by the water as it passes over the spinning beverage, and this heat slowly melts the ice. The result is a cold beverage for you to enjoy.
Now, more than ever, our privacy is under attack because there are tiny hidden cameras watching and recording us all the time, everywhere, even in our most intimate moments without our knowledge. These tiny cameras are found all the time in dressing rooms, hotel rooms, public bathrooms, apartments, locker rooms, and places you didn't think possible. The SpyFinder Pro puts an end to concerns of privacy invasion by instantly uncovering all hidden camera lenses which are spying on you. This easy-to-use, pocket-sized detector can go along with you anywhere. To use the SpyFinder Pro, look through the viewfinder while pushing the button on top to activate the 6 super bright LED strobe lights. These special red lights are specifically engineered to bounce off of the reflective surface which all camera lenses have, no matter how big or small they may be. Now with Maxi Boost LED technology, there are 3 LED intensity modes that allow you to better control and hone in on the area you are sweeping. High is best for larger rooms and open office or living spaces, and low is best for smaller rooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and shiny surfaces such as plastic or glass. In a slow sweeping motion, scan the room, looking at all surfaces until you are confident the room is clean and free from potential hidden cameras. Even if the camera is turned off, you'll clearly see that the camera lens is blinking back at you up to 45 feet away. Put a stop to the invasion of your privacy before it starts. Get your
and then the printed drinks tea.
Release it. A little bit of pressure there. It makes it to the receiver. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that in my entire time in football.
Don't let folding get in your way. Meet FoldiMate. It folds, so you don't have to.